Good day, everyone. Welcome to Science for Junior High School with Merivit Education Center. This series is for M.1. Let's get started with the lesson part. Here are the things that you will be learning today. Number 1. Identify the structures of an atom. Number 2. Differentiate the 3 subatomic particles. And number 3. Design your own atomic model. Ready? Here we go. In this episode, we will be learning about the atomic structure. But what exactly is an atom? Right, an atom is the basic building block of all matter. Can you imagine how small an atom is? Perfect! Atoms are so small that we barely can see it even with an electron microscope. Yes, you heard it right. Look at the picture. What can you say about this picture? Right. The picture is all about the evolution of the atomic model. Can you explain how atomic models evolved? Terrific. This evolution of the atomic model is a story of how ideas changed about the nature of an atom. Basically, in 1803, Dalton just expanded the Greek idea of an atom where it is a small thing. And there were different masses with different properties. Have you ever heard the name J.J. Thomson? Right. In 1904, he was being famous because of his experiment about the cathode ray, or simply known as beams of electrons, where he was able to determine the mass to charge ratio for it. What about Rutherford? Do you know him? All right. In 1911, he once said, "Hey, I think I will shoot some stuff at atoms." Well, so he did. He shot some alpha particles, which are really just the nucleus of a helium atom, at some really thin gold foil. And he found out that instead of it bouncing off, most of them went through the foil, which is contrast to the plum pudding being made by J.J. Thomson. Then here comes Niels Bohr. Probably you are familiar with him. In 1913, the model proposed by Niels Bohr is the one that you see in a lot of introductory science. You heard it right. We will use Bohr's model to better understand the structure of an atom because it talks about the energy levels. But there was a key point about the Bohr's model that is no longer accepted in current models of the atom. And these are the probability distributions for the different energy levels in an atom. The electron cloud model of Schrödinger and Heisenberg in 1926. An atom is also made up of even smaller particles known as subatomic particles. Can you enumerate the 3 subatomic particles of an atom? Wonderful! The 3 subatomic particles are protons, electrons, and neutrons. Look at the pictures above. From these pictures, can you differentiate the 3 subatomic particles? I know you can do it. Excellent! In the next discussion, you will find out how these 3 subatomic particles differ from each other. Are you ready? Proton. What exactly is a proton? Right. A proton is one of the 3 main particles that make up the atom. Protons are positively charged and together with neutrons, they make up virtually all the mass of an atom. All right. Atoms of all elements, well, except for most atoms of hydrogen, have neutrons in their nucleus. Neutrons have no charge. They are electrically neutral. The mass of neutrons are slightly greater than the mass of protons in the atomic nucleus. In an uncharged neutral atom, the number of electrons orbiting the nucleus is equal to the number of protons inside the nucleus. In this atom, the positive and negative charge cancels each other out, leading to an atom with no net charge. The electron is one of the three main types of particle that makes up the atom. It is extremely small and has an opposite electric charge. Now, if a proton is positively charged, well, the electron is not. The electron is negatively charged. A proton has about 1 AMU, or the atomic mass unit. A neutron has about the same mass as a proton, whereas an electron has 1 out of 1,840 AMU. Therefore, an electron is very much lighter than a proton or a neutron. Let us study the atomic structure. How does an atom look like? Try to figure it out. There you have it. See the picture? This is what the atom looks like. Have you ever thought about the same thing as you see on the screen? Wonderful! As what was being mentioned a while ago, the atom has 3 subatomic particles. So where can we find these subatomic particles? Right! Protons and neutrons are located inside the nucleus. Again, always remember that protons are positively charged, while neutrons don't have any charge at all. So what can you find in the orbital or the electron cloud orbiting around the nucleus? Excellent! Orbiting around the electron cloud or the nucleus are the electrons. And again, electrons have negative charges. Okay, let's play. You will be given 10 seconds to guess the correct answer of the following unlabeled atomic structure. Listen carefully. Ready? All right. Number 1. What do you think is the answer? Your 10-second timer starts now. You're right. That is the energy level. Next, number 2. What is that? Your 10-second timer starts now. Good job! Number 2 is the nucleus. And how about number 3? Your 10-second timer starts now. Well done! The correct answer is the neutron. Next number 4. What do you think is the correct answer? Your 10-second timer starts now. Amazing! That is the electron. And the last number, number 5. What do you think is the correct answer? Your 10-second timer starts now. Excellent! That is the proton. All right. Write your answer on a clean A4 paper. For item number 3, create the most beautiful atomic model that you can and color it. Submit your work during the school opening. Good luck! To enhance and review your vocabulary, scan the code through your phone and have fun in learning science vocabulary. That's all, and have a nice day. See you in the next episode. Happy learning!